How to start trading Forex. Trading Forex is similar to equity trading. Here are some steps to get yourself started on the Forex trading journey. 1. Learn about Forex. While it is not complicated, Forex trading is a project of its own and requires specialized knowledge. For example, the leverage ratio for Forex trades is higher than for equities, and the drivers for currency price movement are different from those for equity markets. There are several online courses available for beginners that teach the ins and outs of Forex trading. 2. Set up a brokerage account. You will need a Forex trading account at a brokerage to get started with Forex trading. Forex brokers do not charge commissions. Instead, they make money through spreads, also known as pips, between the buying and selling prices. For beginner traders, it is a good idea to set up a micro Forex trading account with low capital requirements. Such accounts have variable trading limits and allow brokers to limit their trades to amounts as low as 1,000 units of a currency. For context, a standard account lot is equal to 100,000 currency units. A micro Forex account will help you become more comfortable with Forex trading and determine your trading style. 3. Develop a trading strategy. While it is not always possible to predict and time market movement, having a trading strategy will help you set broad guidelines and a roadmap for trading. A good trading strategy is based on the reality of your situation and finances. It takes into account the amount of cash that you are willing to put up for trading and, correspondingly, the amount of risk that you can tolerate without getting burned out of your position. Remember, Forex trading is mostly a high-leverage environment. 4. Always be on top of your numbers. Once you begin trading, always check your positions at the end of the day. Most trading software already provides a daily accounting of trades. Make sure that you do not have any pending positions to be filled out and that you have sufficient cash in your account to make future trades. 5. Cultivate emotional equilibrium. Beginner Forex trading is fraught with emotional roller coasters and unanswered questions. Should you have held onto your position a bit longer for more profits? How did you miss that report about low gross domestic product, GDP, numbers that led to a decline in overall value for your portfolio? Obsessing over such unanswered questions can lead you down a path of confusion. That is why it is important to not get carried away by your trading positions and cultivate emotional equilibrium across profits and losses. Be disciplined about closing out your positions when necessary.